In our party, we want to contest the forthcoming assembly elections, and there are many issues pertaining to Puducherry regarding the statehood issue, misgovernance over here, the non-implementation or improper implementation of 2% reservation for Muslim minorities, the non-establishment of Waqf board chairman, and this being a union territory. After the BJP government have passed the Waqf Act, which in our opinion is not in the interest of protecting Waqf properties. It is not in the interest to remove encroachment, and it is basically made a law to ensure that Muslims lose their Waqf property, lose their masjids, and their important Waqf properties. So these are the general issues which are relevant for today, and basically there are many issues in the country, in Tamil Nadu, in Puducherry also. So this is what in brief I have to tell you.
Are you satisfied with Tamil Nadu? What are you demanding from Puducherry?
Satisfied with whom?
What are the demands you are putting forth in Puducherry? Compared to Tamil Nadu, are you satisfied with Tamil Nadu government?
No, Tamil Nadu government, there are many issues, many problems over there, but right now I'm in Puducherry over here. So let us, I would feel that I'm of the opinion it better we stick to Puducherry. And when I'm in Tamil Nadu, maybe next, whenever our president decides, we'll be able to tell you more clearly about that state problems and issues.
Today, Chief Election Commissioner conducted a press meet. He told that there is no vote chori has happened, and also Rahul Gandhi has to apologize or he has to file a affidavit within 7 days.
Yeah, as far as my party is concerned, our Bihar State President, Mr. Rakhtorul Iman, who's an MLA from that state, he is one of the petitioners in this ongoing case in the Supreme Court, and we have basically opposed the SIR in Bihar in particular, and we feel that Bihar, there are many issues when large number of people live in rural areas, and many people in Bihar, they go out in search of livelihood, and the SIR insisting on those 10 documents, and there's no clarity about EPIC or Aadhaar card. That is why we feel that many names will be missed out. And also the provisional voter list which has come right now. The Election Commission is not telling us within the provisional voter list how many voters have given documents and how many have not given documents. So there is a high likelihood that tomorrow, when the final list will be published after 15-20 days, the ECI can say that these people have not given the documents. But for the intervention of Supreme Court, the people of Bihar would not have known how many people are dead exactly, how many people are shifted, how many people have name in two different places. But after the Supreme Court order, the ECI has to put out those lists. I'm told they have put out that list. And in our Bihar State President Assembly constituency, there are many examples of voters whose names have not been included. So this is an ongoing problem, and this Honorable Supreme Court is seized of this matter. So we will have to wait and see what the interim orders the Supreme Court will give.
It is not mandatory to watch the changes in the electoral list because it's not happening in a single day. So party should watch whatever the things are happening on voter side. It's not happening in Bihar.
What is your question?
You are telling it's a huge, deletion of the votes are there.
No, 65 lakh names have been deleted. The ECI has said that this includes many people who have died, many people who have shifted, And thirdly, they said that many people have double entries. So the Supreme Court has told them to publish all those lists district-wise. And now the people will see it, whether it is true or not. But as far as our party is concerned, because my party president is one of the petitioners, in his own assembly constituency, there are many people who are alive. There are many people who have not shifted. There are many people who have whose names are not reflected in two different places, but their names have not been included. We will definitely file their Form 6 to say that they are here, they are alive, or they have not shifted. But this is an issue, main issue over there.
Sir, regarding that EVS quota, already you tell about that 2% quota of Muslims. What about that Tamil Nadu government is not implemented in Pondicherry? They are provisional given to EVS. What is your opinion about that EVS? It's a national.
Economic weaker section quota.
Yeah, yes.
It is not being implemented in.
Tamil Nadu.
नहीं इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं हो रहा. आप बोलो उस पे आप.
சரியான அது என்னன்னா இப்போ தமிழ்நாடு பொறுத்தவரைக்கும் கேட்டீங்கன்னா இந்த
தமிழ்நாடு தான் கேக்குறேன்.
தமிழ்நாடு பொறுத்தவரைக்கும்
national level educational quota, economic weaker section quota. This is national level. Why the Tamil Nadu is not adopting that?
அது வந்து நான் பரிசீலனை செய்து கொண்டிருக்கிறோம். நம்முடைய தேசிய தலைவரும் அது கவனம் செலுத்தி அவருடைய அறிக்கையை வந்து நிறைவேற்றி வந்து கொடுப்பாரு. சார் அது வருங்காலத்தில் வந்து ஆலோசனை நம்முடைய தேசிய தலைவர் ஆலோசனைப்படி வந்து அதிகமான தொகுதிகளை நான் போட்டிருக்கோம். வருங்காலத்தில் இன்னும் 6 மாத காலம் இருக்கிறது. அதுக்கு தகுந்த மாதிரி வந்து நாங்கள் முடிவு செய்ய வருவோம்.
Sir, now there is a issue going on in your state that go back Marwadi.
There is some social media campaign is going on. I'm told not.
Sir, today that will be a very big
This,
issue.
I don't know. Sir, for you it is big issue, but if
Some problems, you know.
no. I don't know about. See, there is some reports here and there. So, should importance be given to it? I don't think so. Some issue will be happening everywhere, but if you want to expand it to that level, it's not good.
अच्छा सर अभी जो यूएस से जो टैरिफ बढ़ाया है ना, इससे वानियम्बड़ी का जो कोर बिजनेस है लेदर इंडस्ट्री, इससे ज़्यादा नुकसान हो रहा है, तो इसका क्या बेहतरी हो सकता है?
नहीं, वानियम्बाड़ी का नहीं, पूरे तमिलनाडु को जो रेडीमेड गारमेंट्स का इंडस्ट्री है, लेदर का इंडस्ट्री है, दूसरा ऑटो मोटर पार्ट्स का भी इंडस्ट्री है, इन सब को तकलीफ होने वाली है. तो खाली एक जगह नहीं, और फिर सूरत में जो पॉलिश डायमंड्स का है उसको तकलीफ हो सकती है. तो 50% टैरिफ बोल तो फिर उनको मुश्किल हुआ था.
तो इसका हल फिर निकलने वाला है.
अब इसका हल तो हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर निकालना, मैं और आप तो नहीं निकाल सकते ना.
Sir, Jubilee Hill election will coming soon. What is your stand?
When the date comes, we'll announce. Right now, it's too early.
Sir, MP sir, you are coming for that insisting of statehood. That already that Pondicherry government is resolution is made for 16 times. Why you are not implement? You are insisting in this parliament, sir.
We will definitely insist, but this is very important. That, in fact, I am of the opinion that the concept of union territory should not exist in 2025. You know, and which is antithetical to federalism. And also, our forefathers wanted every place to have their own assembly, whether it is those great freedom fighters. So, it is also a question of self-governance. So, if people of Puducherry decide unitedly that they don't want UT status, they want a proper state status, then of course every government will have to listen to them.
Do you think that?
Sir, including Jammu and Kashmir, you are insisting.
Yes, Jammu Kashmir, they have told to the Supreme Court that they will give statehood to J&K. This government told the Supreme Court. And even people of Ladakh are not happy. They are not happy at all.
सर अभी 6-7 महीने में तमिलनाडु का असेंबली लेवल आने वाले हैं, तो आपका आदेश किसका जा रहा है? पिछली बार
Sir, tell me in English.
हाँ?
पिछली बार टीवी के साथ आप आदेश में गए थे, तो इस बार आपका क्या इरादा है?
तो अभी तो टाइम है, अलायंस होगा किससे होगा अब जब बताएंगे आप।
तमिलनाडु का क्या स्ट्रेटेजी है सर?
वह भी होगा, अलायंस होगा तो बताएंगे आप।
ஆபரேஷன் மத்திய அரசு நடவடிக்கை எல்லாம் எப்படி இருக்கு?
ये क्या पूछ रहे हैं ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के बारे में, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का स्टेटस कैसा, उनका स्टैंड कैसा था आपके लिए?
कि हम लोग तो पूरे सपोर्ट करें ऑपरेशन सिंदूर को, ये सपोर्ट ऑपरेशन सिंदूर।
இந்து நதியை வந்து தடுத்தா மறுபடியும் போர் வரும் அப்படின்னு பாகிஸ்தான்
पानी रोका गया उसके बारे में आपका क्या?
पानी रोका नहीं गया। वी हैव केप्ट दैट इंडस वाटर ट्रीटी इन अबेयंस। सस्पेंड करें, वी हैव नॉट स्टॉप द वॉर, इट इज इन अबेयंस।
Sir, in general, that some party is charging against that BJP government. The opposition, if any states
भाई
having,
बात मत करो भाई, ठहरिए ठहरिए।
if any states having opposition government, they are blocking so many measures, including welfare measures, finance cutting. What is your opinion, sir?
See, what is the central grants that is coming to Puducherry is only 30% now.
It was previously 90%.
No, it has from 90% in 63 to 30% in 2025. And also if Puducherry contributes around about 3,500 crores annually to central pool, but gets only 1,750 crores in return.
Only?
1,750 crores. Youth employment is 20%. There are salary areas of over 10,000 employees. 30 to 120 months is pending. So these are the issues. What see now in Puducherry there is a CM, there is an LG, and there is an administrator. Musical chairs is going on. We don't know who's in power.
No, I am asking that opposition in this opposition party is having powers. That said, so is blocking in the center by the center.
No, if rightful share is not given to the state governments, then of course it's a big issue. The state government should get what they deserve.
सर हमारे बस्ती का वानमबड़ी का रेलवे स्टेशन का बहुत प्रॉब्लम है।
अरे ये मीडिया के आप मीडिया के नहीं है ना, मीडिया के लोगों का वो बाद में बात करेंगे।
Sir, our revenue model is very powerful. How after getting, I mean, take part of the modality to maintain our state.
Sir, when you get statehood, of course your share will increase. You'll have your own self-governance. You will not be ruled from someone sitting in Delhi. You will be ruled by a person from Puducherry. That is most important. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.